Hi, I'm Aryn.
And I'm Kelson.
And this is Aryn Kelson DIY. It has been such a long time. I'm so sorry.
It's been busy. We've been really busy.
We've like traveled a bunch. We've been to like with family. Like it's not just like leisurely. It's like we went to go visit your sister in Texas, and then this last weekend we went to a nearby lake. Like this
has just been really busy, and this project as well has been kind of a big project too as well.
You'll see, but I mean seriously, this project was way more than we thought it would be. I came in with very bad expectations. I was like, oh yeah, we can knock that out in like 2 weekends? 6 weeks later, and we are we've moved down here, which is great. I love the way this room turned out. I love spending time down here. It's my favorite. I think another thing that's been a detriment to us is that like instead of just focusing on this room, like we've been like bouncing around a little bit. Yeah. And like we've been working on the playroom, and we've been working on our oldest daughter's room and like our youngest daughter's room, like all at the same time. So it just is kind of,
instead of just working on just the master, it's been like everything to get around to getting the master all done. So
a little bit of everything. So we are finally done. We just hung up and did the last finishing little touches, hung some pictures on the wall and that sort of thing. But we are done, and I'm so excited to show you the progress. So let's get into it. Let's show you the before, the after, and everything in between.
All right, let's get into it. So this is kind of a before shot of the used to be guest bedroom, but now is our master bedroom. So we are knocking out walls. Both of these walls here, this little closet, gone. Completely gone. We are making a walk-in closet because we're turning this into a master suite for us. So Kelson is kind of just deconstructing everything right now, and then we're going to start knocking walls out, man.
One chance, you will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you.
So this is our playroom, the room adjacent to the guest bedroom. And we've got this weird double closet situation. On the left there is a real normal size closet. Then we've got this awkward half closet thing. We're tearing all this out and just making the wall flat. And then this is going to be our baby's nursery. So Kelson's taking all this stuff out, weird lights, knocking this all out. The light that Kelson's working on here is actually going to be the light in our walk-in closet.
Someday we will look back, and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night.
Okay, now we are knocking out more walls. So this is in the hallway, kind of making the entry to the master more open. And then this is over by the closet in the guest bedroom. So we're cutting out part of it, ripping it out, gonna put some new walls up. Here we go.
I'm where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting
So here Kelson's cutting out the last pole holding up the doorway for this cased opening. It was such a pain in the butt to cut that out. We had to cut all this drywall to see how we could finagle it out of there, but we did it, and there we have it. It is open and it looks so much better now. So now Kelson is building the doorway into our closet and framing it all out so that we can put the drywall up. There is that, and now this is the drywall for the nursery to close that off and make it just one wall. I'm now mudding and taping and texturing the wall to make it match the rest of the wall. And there's our closet. Now I am painting a wall in our master bedroom black. I decided to go with black just because I wanted to do something bold and out of my comfort zone, and I was so afraid of this black as I was putting it on, but I love the way it turned out. I think it looks so good, and it's like my favorite thing ever. Now I'm going to show you how I made this wall art for above our bed here in our master. These baskets, I got most of them at a yard sale. A couple of them were green, and so I spray painted them, and we're painting some designs on them. So I'm just taking some regular craft paint in this like terracotta color and just painting some designs on it. So I'm doing some circles, and I just kind of played around with it to see what I thought looked good. We're doing some white too. I didn't like the way that turned out, so then I just kind of, I don't know, I go back and make the whole thing like a gray color by mixing the black and the white. But there's this one, and then I had to paint another one, but I lost the footage of me painting it, so I'm sorry that I don't have a tutorial for that, but I really just kind of winged it the whole time. So I am so happy with the way that these baskets turned out too. I think that painting them made them look a lot more unique, and especially the green was not in my color scheme, so we had to cover that up. This one, I'm just putting some little like starbursts, little triangles around the edge. This was super easy, but really added a lot more character to these baskets, especially since I had so many that were just the same. So there we have that, and then we hung them up all to arranged. And then now we want to show you a trick that we use to hang up stuff. This is a mirror that we're putting over our dresser, and we're just taking some painter's tape and just lining it up with the little hooks there for hanging it. And then you put the painter's tape where you want the mirror to be hung. Make sure it's level. And then we're taking some really heavy duty sheetrock anchors because we didn't have a stud where we wanted to hang this. So we're screwing those in and then putting screws into the anchors. Remove the tape, and then we can hang up our mirror. I love the last minute touches of like hanging up things. I think it just makes such a big difference. And this is the reveal. I am obsessed with the way this turned out. I love having a master bedroom all to our own, and Just look at it, guys. I feel like it's something straight out of a magazine or a Pinterest post. I'm obsessed. And the best part is the closet. I love having a walk-in closet. I love having somewhere to put all of our stuff. I'm just so giddy about the way this turned out.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to us.
Also, we promise that we will upload more this time. We've got a lot of content coming, so we will say bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Also follow us on Instagram, and we will see you in the next video.
Thank you so much for
Thank
watching, and bye!
Bye.